Hi everyone, today we'll be having a tutorial of how to do a SIM swap on your MTN, and welcome to Tutorials by David.
A SIM swap is useful if you lose your SIM or your SIM is damaged and you want to keep your number on your new SIM. First, make sure you have a valid ID like passport, driver's license, or national ID. You also need your MTN phone number. Next, visit the nearest MTN store or service center. Tell the staff that you want to perform a SIM swap. They will ask for your ID and phone number to verify your account. Once your identity is confirmed, the staff will issue a new SIM card with the same phone number. Insert the new SIM into your phone and it should work immediately. If you're swapping due to a lost SIM, remember to block your old SIM to prevent unauthorized use. Some MTN services also allow remote verification or requesting a SIM swap through their official app or customer care. But the safest method is always through a physical MTN store. And that's it, a simple, secure way to get your phone number on a new SIM card.